average. And I'm going to try to make this as quick and simple as I can. If you have any questions, just yell at me. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm running two OBSs. I'm running an OBS. You're literally seeing the OBS that's on my gaming PC right now, and it's extending. It's a full screen projectoring to my Elgato capture card, and it's super simple. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible. So go into your display settings on Windows, and yours is probably going to look different than this. It's going to look like 2/3 right here because you're cloning. So what you want to do is you want to click on your main monitor, and how you do that is to figure out which use your main monitor. Just click identify. Whatever the number is that shows up on your main monitor, click on that one, and then what you want to do is you want to say duplicate desktop on to end whatever your Elgato capture card or AverMedia is. Mine Elgato, the 1440. So I just do extend on desktop 2 and 3, and then I save. And in here, you want to make sure everything's running at 144 hertz. Your main monitor can run whatever it wants to. I mean, I think you're running like a 1080p 240 hertz. I'm running 1440p 165 hertz. So the big thing is you want to make sure both of your displays are running at the same resolution. So after that, download OBS on your gaming PC. Once you're done with that, go into your settings, go to your video, make sure your base resolution and output resolution is both whatever your main monitor is. So if you're 1920 by 1080, make sure this is both 1920 by 1080. Here, make sure it's 60 FPS, and then click OK. And then what you're going to do is all you have to do it's this simple. I make two scenes, one for my display capture, one for my game capture. So see how it doesn't show my screen anymore. And under there, all I do is do hotkeys, and I do page up to switch to my desktop and page down to switch to my game capture. And then after you're done setting that up, you just do full screen projector preview to your capture card. And then after you're done with that, to save resources, you just turn off enable preview. And then all you have to do, for me, I have hotkeys. The only problem with running the two OBSs is you need to run OBS in admin. And the easiest way to do that is go to OBS, right click it, open file location, right click OBS Studio, properties, compatibility, and make sure to tick run this program as administrator. And then you don't have to worry about games being finicky, because sometimes games will take priority over OBS. And if they do, all you have to do is you can go to Task Manager even, and then you just can run this as under higher priority even, which you go here and you go to details, and then you go down here and then site priority, and you can do it above normal or high if the game's still not capturing. Because sometimes they're a little bit finicky. When I play Destiny 2, I have to actually run display capture because I think they're like anti-cheats, like really janky. But the only other thing that you should make sure to do is in your OBS, your capture card as your source, make sure to right click that, and then you'll go to properties and make sure you're running at 60 FPS in there too. And then you get zero screen tearing, you get zero issues. This will take about, you'll see like it's at 0.7, but like it'll fluctuate. You have a very good computer. It won't take more than 5 or 6% CPU usage. So that's like it might be like 8 frames, 10 frames per second, but it's not much. And then you don't have to worry about potentially leaking anything. You don't have to worry about screen tears, nothing like that. So hopefully that helps, man. If you have any questions, just yell at me. Peace.